Hey, new gardeners. So now that we've established where you are and what your climate is, you have to decide what you're going to plant, right? So how do you decide? There are endless options for seeds and plants that you can buy. If you're going to grow food, and you're going to grow food for your family or yourself, then the easiest place to start is, what do you like to eat? What's on the menu a lot at your house? So I am a big salad eater, as many of my friends will tell you. And so I do a lot of lettuce, and salad greens. So if that's something that you like, you can do that. Spinach is another good option this time of year. Early in the season, you want to focus on cold hardy crops. So things that are going to do well outside. So for example, I've got cucumbers and tomatoes right here. These are seeded, but they're not appropriate to plant outside right now. Those are warm weather crops and they'll die. Even if we get some warm weather, we're still going to get a frost. So those aren't appropriate to put outside yet. Those are going to be for the greenhouse. But I've got kale right here that after this gets a little bit bigger, you could plant this outside once it's established and it can still take a light frost and that's no problem. Onions are another good one. These right here are scallions. You can just catch that in the corner of the video. You can plant more than one seed per cell, so that's pretty cool. You can plant those really early. Those keep well in a 6-pack or in a cell tray. This particular one is 72 cells, but don't make the mistake if you're just planting for you. This is 72 kales. Not sure that one family can eat that much, but maybe you can, I don't know. So just keep in mind what you're gonna eat and what time of year it is. So cold crops, things like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, those all do well in the chill of spring when the soil is still a little on the cool side and you might get the occasional frost. So focus on seeding those initially. Oh, also peas. I don't have peas here. They don't transplant very well, so direct seeding peas would be a great option. Up here in Maine, it's a little bit early because we've still got some frost in the ground. But once you can work the ground, once you can stick a pea seed in the ground, plant them. Even if it's going to have, light snow, frost here and there, you can cover it with a blanket and that'll keep right on a chugging. Peas are amazing. Also, pay attention to what variety you're growing. Do you like to eat sugar snap peas or do you like shelled peas? So you have all of those options when you're shopping for seeds. And right now, most of our customers, so independent garden centers, you can call ahead and get curbside pickup. So you can order seeds right from them and materials to top out your raised beds or mulches or all your potting soils that you're going to need. So you get our Sprout Island seed starter or our Bar Harbor potting soil that you can use to grow all this stuff. So if you have any questions on specific things, like what's appropriate, a specific plant, if it's ready to be planted yet or seeded inside, just drop a note below and we'll get back to you. Happy gardening.